Hi, this is Vince. I hope you have enjoyed the 1CW Questions series and the 1CWQ shorts. This is the final recording in the series, and it's my personal advice to you and something that's never let me down. If you need to take a break because your brain hurts, it's okay to skip a day of studying. What works best for me is my day off from studying looks like sending practice for 5 minutes, maybe 10 if I can do it. And in that way, I'm not losing momentum. It's really easy to fall into the trap of not wanting to study every day, and it's really hard to regain that momentum. Don't lose that momentum. Keep going. You've got this. I believe in you. Hope you've enjoyed this series 73.